Day 7 with the Ford Ranger, guys. So you guys saw the title of the video. Today we're gonna do suspension work. So basically today we're gonna put all the parts that either we bought new or rebuilt back into the car. We're gonna do both sides, and possibly, if we have time, if we get there, install the rear shocks, which I also got in the kit. So yeah, I'm gonna drop a time lapse. Just watch. Let's get to it.
We get connected, then we push ourselves away so we're protected, then resurrected after forever and a day. It's so pathetic. I don't need you as much as you need me, but I'll fall to pieces if you ever leave. If you say I'm the one you love for sure, but then maybe if you need me, I'll be out that door. Falling, roll on, fall out. Falling, roll on, fall out. I know about you, and that's why I can't live with or without you. Although I want you.
Okay, so this is how the suspension came out. I'm really satisfied with it. It's got the stock spring. I just painted it just to give it some like rust protection. Painted the caliper and flushed that out. Put new bearings and new rotor on it. Kept the tie rods. I'll do this some other time. It's really easy to do. New upper control arm. So before I tighten all these bolts down, I'm gonna actually put the car on the floor with the tire, and then I'm gonna get underneath it and I'm gonna tighten those bolts. Because if you tighten it right here at this position, when you put the car on the floor, that the arms go back to another position, you actually tear the rubber and break the control arm before you even get to use it. So that's what we're gonna do next. Suspension done. End of day 7. Stay tuned for day 8, where we're gonna get the harness from the old engine and just basically everything, you know, brackets, alternator, AC, everything from the old engine, slapping it onto the new used engine, which I saw run, so I know it's gonna work. So yeah, that'll be day 8. Really happy how the suspension came out. Stay tuned. If you guys like it, subscribe. Any comments, any questions, make sure to ask them. I reply to most of them, so don't be scared. Ask any question you got, DM me, whatever you need to do, go ahead. I usually reply pretty fast, so like, subscribe, stay tuned for day 8. Engine going in.